Hello guys, we are back in the farm with my Amora. Hello Amora. How are you today?
Fine. Going to start the work.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah.
He is one of the most experienced builder in Bhakti Valley. His name is Oren Azum. He's a former Yonchicho Flyers a footballer and a teacher actually. Now he's retired. He's my auntie's son, my nephew actually. Thank you, Amara.
Thank you.
Yeah. And this is not other than my favorite Rahul. Kini ka lagi si Rahul? Okay, jadi kami kan mask boleh. Yeah, guys, I'll show you when we commence the work and when we finish the work. Yeah, guys, we have reached the field today. This is our farmhouse yet to be completed. One room is completed, but the kitchen needs some more. There's well, I think I'll just give a finish with bamboo, wild bamboo. But let's see. This is a simple, humble farm. It's a small rubber farm. Here I like to construct the room. And here we are making the toilet. This is the place where we are going to make the septic tank. Yeah, a lot of work needs to be done. Yeah, guys, I'll show you when we finish the work. Yeah, guys. Yeah. We're in the process of making the beautiful structure by Amor and Rahul. Yeah, this is right. Bathroom. This is my favorite plant actually. I used to take this to, control high blood pressure, hypertension. Yeah, dew is coming. He's bringing the lunch and some materials for the construction. I hope he can make it up since it's a bit stiff, guys. Some materials. Roll! 찔러다 뭔가? Yeah, guys. We're having tea time. Roll, chair lebih nak 지금. Kile? Hah? Chair buona? Chair ada situ? Coba, ayo chair dia buat. Chair dia buat kena khana 지금. We're having tea. Tea time, guys. This is my. Yo, Amra. Yo. Hello, Leo. Hello. 이제 차가세 원나디야. 아저씨 아저씨. 아저씨 잠깐만. 애낭존는 형제시 뭔가 멍냥달라. We're making memories, guys. Yo. Thank you. Yeah, guys, we're having lunch. Simple curry, fish curry. Amara, wait. Yo, Amara, what curry?
Roll.
Fish curry. Roll. Kinaka. की सब्जी है?
दाल और
मछली
मछली
मछली और दाल ना हर एक पर्सन ना या राहुल नवीन का भी तो कन्या लो ये बात तो है ये बात है दिसी ओके so guys ano kasi kami kanto kasi hey guys kasi kami kan yeah we're having simple food yeah hello yo I love this bitter I forgot this English name. We call it Kongo. Yeah, guys. 얼굴 가보세.
아이고. 뭐去煮了回来下午你锅那点不一都转啊那我看你七八八的
Guys. Hey guys, now we're going back home at last. Yeah. Valeu. Pela. Hey guys. We're going back home now.